Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is LaShawn Campbell, and I'm 51 years old. I live alone, and this YouTube channel is simply a way that I express what I'm feeling and showing how to live my very best life. And it's uplifting, it's encouraging, and it's real simple. Only a few of us here, but it makes me feel good knowing that at least one person um, has been touched by what I say or it helps somebody. So thank you for coming. Please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today I wanted to talk about God. I wanted to talk about how God will reveal things in your life. That sometimes it's not smack dab, boom, right there, and it takes a while to get to Him revealing those things. But you have to be on the lookout. You have to listen, and you'll see all those signs that He's given you. If a door closed, sometimes we sit and we mourn and we say, "Oh, I can't believe I missed out on that." But in reality, there is something greater that's right around the corner. There's something greater that could be right there. You just have to wait. You just have to have patience, and you have to have faith. And and I know it's easy for me to say you gotta have faith because it's easy for me now. But when I was younger, I didn't want to wait around for stuff. Everything just seemed so out of reach. But I'm trying to say now is the time with everything that's going on in the world that you have to slow down a little bit and let God reveal things to you. Slow down. Slow your pace down some so that you can see all the good things that God has ready for you. If you're rushing around and rushing around, you're not going to see those things. You have to slow down and learn how to love yourself and love where you are in your life. And I don't think there's nothing wrong with that. I don't think it's selfish to love yourself. I don't think it's selfish to want more things or better things, as long as it's within reason. You know, you have to love yourself, but you also have to make yourself a priority. And that's the hard thing with some people. They don't know how to make their self a priority. So they allow that negative stuff to come in. And when it does, it paralyzes them and they don't know what to do with themselves. But I'm telling you that uh, God is the answer, and that He hears your cries. He hears when you pray to Him. And He might not be working at the speed that you want Him to, but He knows what you're going through. And at the age of 51, I'm grateful for all that I have. I really am. And recently I started putting myself first because I can't take care of anybody if I can't take care of myself. So I had to slow it down, I had to slow my roll. And it's a better life now. You know, I'm grateful for all that I have. I really am. I don't have much, but I'm grateful for all that I have, and everything that's slowly coming my way. And that's why I said that you have to have patience and have faith, because everything that God is orchestrating behind the scenes is going to happen. It's just not in your time, not at the pace that you want it to. So, like I said, I know it's coming my way. Um, just don't let nothing negative steal your energy and your peace. And I say that because you're you're gonna say, "Oh, this is not happening fast enough," and then there's gonna be this one person that's gonna be like, "Oh, you need to do this and that," to try to shake your belief. But um, don't let this negative situation steal your energy. Don't let this negative situation steal your faith, because it's very important. Faith is very important. and everything. So, once you see that something is negative, you have to remove it out of the way so that you can focus on all the good stuff that's going to come in. You have to remove all the negative and take in all the positive, because all the good stuff is about to happen. And sometimes it happens so quickly and all at one time. So you just have to be ready, because it's coming. Um, I thank God for all the good things that's happened in my life. I thank God that I have faith. I thank God for my energy. I thank God for my health. And I thank God for putting the right people in my path. Nothing is by accident. And I am really meeting some wonderful people. And at different ages too. I mean, my friends' ages range from my age and younger, and it's just ridiculous. And I was out going for my walk, and I know I was saying some stuff under my breath. I didn't have the headphones on or nothing, because I'm learning that as I'm getting older. Well, when I used to walk, I used to have the headphones on and listen to all the music that uplifted me, and but I've learned that I gotta, somebody roll up on you, and I can't hear as good as I used to, and it's just my reaction time is not as quick as it used to be. So I don't keep the headphones in listening to music. So I heard my neighbor, one of my neighbors, calling, and I looked back and I saw her coming with her walker. Okay, she's 17 years older than me, and I bet you she could beat me in a marathon. She ain't no joke. She walk every morning. When I'm sitting in the house, don't feel like walking, she already out there. I hear her wheels rolling past my apartment. So, like I said, you got a large variety of different people. They going through their own things too. You going through your stuff, they going through theirs, and they're at different stages of moving forward. And a lot of people have faith. Some people don't. Whatever you believe in, I want you to at least hold that close to your heart, because if you believe in anything, it'll help you to get over, the really rough times. So at least hold on to that. I mean, that's where we got to be at right now. You have to just look for the positive stuff, and know that God will make a way. That's the message. And it might not happen today, it might not happen tomorrow, but all the goodness of God is a daily thing. And it all will manifest. It's all gonna get better. Trust me. I'm telling you, it will get better. I hope that this week is a good week for you. I hope that you have peace and tranquility and joy and all those things that you deserve, and you have abundance of productivity. If you at work, I pray that your abundance of productivity is at work. If you're working from home, I pray that you have abundance of productivity slash motherhood slash taking care of everything in your house, because I know it's madness for some of us out. It's madness for some of us out there right now. But I pray that you have an overflow of peace, where you can sit down like I'm sitting now, stress free, and you can release anything that's negative, and take in the goodness of the Lord. Take in the goodness of just hearing your children play, the goodness of the dog jumping on your lap, you know, the goodness of that kiss on the cheek from your husband, you know. Hold your husband hand, hold your wife hand, you know. Relax. Take in the goodness of this time. So much uncertainty outside the walls. You have to bring all that goodness into your house, and all that you're waiting for, all that you're praying for will manifest. Okay? Everything you're praying for will manifest. Just give it some time, okay? So thank you for joining me here again once today. Thank you for stopping by. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all those good things. I hope I'm saying the words right. And let me know that your things are getting better in your life. You can send me an email, you can leave a message, and I just want you to have a good day. So let's just start the day off saying today is going to be a good day, okay? Thank you for stopping by, and God bless.